Hi everybody, this is Hala. Have you ever thought of making cream cheese at home? It's easy, yummy, and ingredients are found in every household. And the most important, you save money. Homemade recipes are safe and nothing better than 100% guarantee recipe. For this recipe, we need 4 liters of homo milk, 3.25%, 12 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1.5 spoon of unsalted butter, and 4 pieces of lavash curry or any kind of cream cheese. Here we bring the milk to boil, almost boiling, and then we add the vinegar. We don't put it at once, we make it like 3-4 times. You see here the curds, we put it in the strainer and we keep it till it drain all the liquid all the way. You see the curds? Good. This is the cream that we need to make the cheese. Here we add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I add it to the cream and to the blender. Here is the curds. And we mix it in the blender for 2 minutes. And from time to time we use the wooden spoon to stir it. Here is the cheese and butter. We put it in the microwave for 12 seconds. Then add it to the ingredients in the blender. Again, we mix it till we have this smooth cream cheese. We put it in the container, in a tight container in the fridge for about 6 hours. Here we can make a very healthy and nutritious breakfast for our children. I have here 2 recipes, one with the vegetables and the other one with the waffles and honey, and here with the naan and vegetables. Bon appetit, enjoy it. Thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe by pressing the red button. It's completely free. It's so yummy. Thank you very much. Don't forget, subscribe. This is Hala.